Hello dickheads, here's the latest bullshit for you. Russia have declared war with England and us Americans will watch and laugh at their pathetic warfare attempts. Terry shit his pants and was shot by a drunk monkey, so I have no goddamn fucking script. I went to 343 Industries who are developing Halo 4 and shot them so I could have a free copy of the game. Also I beat the campaign in 3 fucking seconds. I want to fuck my mum and rape my dad so I can finally watch South Park. Shit, I'm going off topic. And finally I'm going to shut down Xbox and rape my dog. So fuck off the internet now and kill yourselves. I am watching you. Goodbye.